In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text margin in Card. Margins control the space around your text blocks, helping your layout breathe and read cleanly. We'll add a couple of text elements so you can clearly see the spacing change, then fine-tune the margins in the sidebar. Start by opening your Card dashboard and entering the site you want to edit. Once you're in the builder, look along the top for the Add button with the plus icon and click it. From the element list, choose Text. This drops a text block onto your canvas that you can type into or style later. Now, click the Add button again at the top, and for this example, select Text one more time. Having a second text block makes it easier to see how margins affect the spacing between elements. You can leave the default text as is for now. The goal here is to adjust the space around it. With a text element selected, turn your attention to the sidebar and find the Appearance section. This panel controls how the element looks and sits on the page. Inside Appearance, look for the Margins controls. Margins add space outside the element's box, pushing other elements away, which is different from padding that adds space inside the box around the text. Adjust the margin values to get the spacing you want. If you see separate fields for top, right, bottom, and left, increase or decrease each as needed. Small consistent values keep things tidy, while larger top or bottom margins can help create clear sections. If there's an option to link sides, use it for even spacing all around. If not, set each side manually. Keep an eye on how both text blocks move as you change these numbers so your layout stays balanced. When you're happy with the spacing, click Done to apply your changes. That's it. Your text margins are updated. Keep your margin choices consistent across similar elements to maintain a polished, readable design throughout your card site.